have my morning advice. Of course,
Ayun na.
para you have more blessing. Okay?
Unsa ko kasabot.
Muna to, balik eh.
Okay, thank you so much. Mo nga morning advice ni Michelle no nga kailangan gid nga magsayo mag duty kay para lang ko ang inyong kita ulahan pud mong customer. Of course guys, thank you so much Michelle sa imong morning advice. Morning advice bagani.
May ano.
Amo may. Kaling bright na to ipa morning advice. Morning advice ni Joanna Moreno from Camiguin Island.
My morning advice is smile so that the world is smile into you.
Wow,
Look at me now.
bungga. So ang boto kani mo pasabot is smile is the universal language that create peace and unity.
Yes,
Bungga la. Peace in communication.
Of my magic smile.
Peace in communication karon si Kuan, si Joanna Moreno from Camiguin. And of course, guys, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. Bye-bye.